Welcome to the CNC milling and drilling machine with 8 spindles, 32 tool clamps, and 360-degree rotating centers, a groundbreaking solution in modern woodworking. This is not just a production machine, it is the tool that empowers you to conquer the most demanding orders, both domestic and export. Picture a complex wooden workpiece, multiple holes, precise grooves, and artistic curves. Instead of turning the panel manually or changing tools repeatedly, this machine completes everything in a single run. 8 powerful spindles, 16 directions of rotation, 32 clamps working in harmony. Every cut, every hole is delivered with accuracy down to a fraction of a millimeter. From elegant table and chair legs to curved furniture frames and complex structures, everything is finished in a matter of seconds. The greatest strength lies in the 360-degree rotating center, enabling the machine to process any complex contour without manual repositioning. Production time is drastically reduced, while accuracy reaches plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. This means you can confidently accept orders that require tight joints and meet strict export standards. Whether you run mass production or handle specialized pieces, this CNC guarantees stability, efficiency, and consistent quality. When compared to traditional machines or those with only 1 or 2 spindles, the difference is crystal clear. Conventional setups require constant repositioning, frequent tool changes, and are prone to errors. With the WM8x4 CNC JR, all processes are automated, productivity multiplies, and labor costs drop. Significantly, it is the smart choice for any workshop aiming to scale up production while maintaining world-class quality. If you are looking for a solution to elevate your workshop, handle large orders, and meet the highest standards, this is the machine you need. Don't miss the chance to own such advanced CNC technology. Contact us today and experience the difference in every piece of wood you produce.